morning, boys and girls, moms and dads, everybody in viewer land. As you notice, we have the green light. So that shows us everything checked out the last time it ran. So we did a whole house run last week, and we burned the moisture out of the oil because it was kind of milky looking. So you just run it for the 45 minutes because of these cold starts, these 5-minute cold starts do that. Today we're going to talk about code 2100, overload. So if you see on your panel, it goes to a red light and it says overload 2100. What that means is you have too much draw. So in order to prevent that thing, first off, you should have a Generac dealer come out and look at what you're going to be doing and figure out what you're going to be putting on the machine to get the proper machine. He didn't want to hook up my garage originally because he thought I would overload my generator. So if you overload a generator, you just go to your fuse panel or go to the stuff inside your house and start shutting down the non-essentials, and then come back out and start it. Then it'll start. But he didn't want to hook up my garage because he thought I would be arc welding out there, because I would do too much overload. I would turn on everything in my house, everything in the garage, and I would go out in the garage and I would arc weld. So that's not what I would be doing. I told him if I had to do that, I would go ahead and push my portable out, plug the arc welder into that, and then arc weld. So you don't want to overload it, and make sure that cold start this morning. We have the oil warmer and the battery warmer on it to let it be easier to start on these cold days. It's like 5 degrees up here, 7 degrees. So it started good. It's going to run for the 5 minutes. And remember, last week we had some moisture in our air filter, and I wiped it out. So the quick 5-minute run today, I'm not going to worry about the moisture, but I will check the oil after it runs.